Welcome to 2807 West Highway 98 in Mary Esther, Florida. I am so excited to show you this beautiful piece of property. It is a diamond in the rough, and it is now the crown jewel. It sits on 230 feet of intercoastal waterway, 0.76 of an acre, and is just absolutely amazing. From the ground up, the owners redid this property, and it has new wiring, plumbing, roof, insulation, hurricane windows and doors. It is just amazing. So come on, let's take a look. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this tour of this amazing property as much as I have enjoyed sharing it with you. My name is Cynthia Robertson, and I am with Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate, and I would love to show this property to you. So give me a call.